Hello everyone, and I am welcoming you especially to today's edition of today's tutorial. My name is Cecile Odirole Mojibola, and you're welcome to my channel if you're watching for the first time. Today we will be analyzing this beautiful ringtone men design. Now, considering the ringtone, of course, we are going to be analyzing one after the other. Let's start with the brand pattern, the straight pattern. Now the first thing you want to do is measure that particular length for the design you are working with. So the size will determine the length you are going to be working with. So for the width, I'm going to suggest you use 4.5 centimeter. Now let's come to the front part. Now for this particular one, you also measure the length of the shoe last or the foot, at that thumb, at that big toe part. You're going to measure it. Now the width we are going to be using here is going to be about 3.0 centimeter. Yes, 3.0 centimeter. Why that small one that goes in between the ring toe is 1.5 centimeter. So all will be 4.5 centimeter. You can decide to actually reduce it and use one to be 2.5 and the other to be 1.5 centimeter. So after that, we have already covered up for that part. We are going to go ahead and just fix the front part. Don't forget to slit that particular part so that the other one can enter in between the big toe, you understand, and then you form your ring. So we are going to be looking at the distance between, that you can see that red line and that red line. We are going to check the distance by placing, each of the strap that we have cut out on the shoe last or on our feet. So just work with that length. I'm going to suggest you use about 7 centimeter wide strap at that center. The reason is because you are still going to be having a curve at the two edges. So that one, when it's wide like that, you see all those parts. That one, you'll be able to curve them out. Now it means that whatever length you check, using your shoe last or your foot will determine the length, but the width should be about 7 centimeter, like I said. So from the middle of the 7 centimeter, just increase, towards the middle, towards the two sides, just like you can see what I'm doing on the screen. The center now, measure towards this side and measure towards the other side about 3 centimeter or 3.5, so that you can easily curve it. Then the upper part, you see, you also curve that part round and round. That one can actually be like 2.5 centimeters. So I hope with this you should be able to lay your hands on this. Please let me know in the comment section if this is able to help you with how to create this pattern. Don't forget, or if you are not aware, we are going to be having a pattern cutting challenge class which will be starting April 25th. I don't know if you are aware. If you are not aware, please let me know in the comment section and I will share the link for you to register. It's going to be a free class and it's for 2 weeks. Please, I don't want to hear I was not aware. Tell somebody.